Rapido! Come on! Picture! Get your truck! They're waiting for you. Oh, let's go there. Come on, Rebecca. Good job.
Yeah, I got it.
That was good. You gotta hurry, I'm already rolling.
Okay, back straight close, guys, back straight close. Quarter marshal, I need some volunteer help out there. Nicholas on the 1, Sumate on 2, G3, Helms 4. Eric 5, Rebecca on the 6. I need a quarter marshal to the middle, also to me on the corner table and the front straightaway. Hey Matt, kid.
We're up next.
Okay. Alright, some volunteer help guys. Could use a couple of volunteer corner marshals, please. Okay. Great, good luck. Milo, you're going to be busy. It's a long race, guys. It is not one in the first turn. You have 7 minutes to work this out. Good luck. Take it smooth. Go on the tone. 1 and 2 getting at it. Sumate. Easy does it, guys. Keep it a freight train. Take it easy. Make the passes when you can.
Middle!
Caution in the ball. Long race, guys. Long race ahead of you. Ken Helms, your leader. Down the back straightaway. Yee in the 2. Keep it clean, guys. Keep it clean. Keep it clean. Get him to the inside. Get him to the inside. You're supposed to go on the other side there, Milo. Long race ahead of you. Ken Helms, your leader. Remember this guy was running the rookie class just a little while ago, and he's leading the A-main event. 6 minutes left. We'll let that slide. Gotta earn it. Nicholas, is going to be tough. Helms, beautifully painted short course truck. Going over the hill. Nicholas in tow, and Yee in the 3. Eric Ramon, followed by Sumate. Careful on the back straight.
Oh, get him. What's going on back there?
Caution on the back straight. Caution on the back. Yee with some trouble on the sweeper. Oh, Helms. Careful on the back straight. Careful on the back. Inside. Inside on the back straight. Ken Helms dropping out. Boy, Ken, that was a beautiful start. What is going on? There's another stuff on the...
Oh my God.
You need to get that guy off of the track. You need to get the rally car off. Nicholas, your leader. Jeremy Yee in the 2, Yee down the back straight. Stu McKay in 3. Followed by Ramon in 4, Rebecca McAdeg in 5. Ken Helms in some trouble. Oh my God. Nicholas. Wow. Yeah. Corner Marshall, he's in the middle. Milo, you got to make sure they get on the same side that they left.
Oh God.
There's Nicholas again. Oh. All right, 2:40 remaining. Nicholas, Reese, Shumbake, Ramon, McAdeg, and Helm. Oh,
Yeah.
nice job, Nicholas, dude.
Oh my God.
2 minutes left. That's your leader, Nicholas. Actually, Yee took the lead up. So maybe Nicholas going to get serious here. Yee out to double jump. Jeremy Yee down the back stretch, your new leader. Nicholas dropping his 2. Minute 30 seconds to go. Shumbake in the 3. Nicholas and Shumbake getting together. Dan, that's your second place car. 10 seconds. I'm sorry, minute 10 seconds.
One minute left.
Rebecca coming off the track for some reason.
Oh. What happened, Becca?
Circle and sweeper, guys. Circle and sweepers.
This is really, really good. Wow, good job, dude. Victory lap.
There we go. That's going to be race. Jeremy Yee takes the win on that one. Nicholas Vu to finish second. Stan Shumbake third. Followed by Eric Ramon, Rebecca McAdeg, and Ken Helms. Backstage close, guys. Let's get 1, 2, and 3 to the podium. Jeremy, Nicholas, and Stan. Jeremy, nice job.
Good job, Jeremy.
Take your trucks to the podium, guys. 1, 2, and 3 to the podium. And Nicholas Vu cleared that double twice.
I got it on video.
Hey, John.
What? No, then I can't film it. Are you gonna run it? What happened? I heard about it, but I didn't see it happen. Alright, then I have to do stationary camera.